Snoring isn't just annoying. It's your body struggling to breathe. So, why do we snore? When you sleep, the muscles in your throat relax. Air struggles to pass through, and the tissues vibrate. That vibration is snoring. Snoring gets worse if your nose is blocked. You sleep on your back, drink alcohol, or have extra weight around the neck. Here's how to reduce snoring. Sleep on your side. Keep your nose clear. Avoid alcohol before bed. Maintain a healthy weight. Elevate your head slightly. If snoring is loud and constant, it could be a sign of sleep apnea, a serious sleep disorder. Better sleep starts with better breathing. Subscribe for daily science that helps your life.